Welcome back to my channel, guys, with another video. Alright, we're gonna play this video with this lady talk about the American dream and what is there to look out for. Cause a lot of people go foreign and have different experiences. So she took to social media and she's sharing her experience. So let me know in a comment if what she's saying is true, if some might are true, or what. Because you know we always have this debate about foreign life and Jamaican life, and and you have to work twice as hard at foreign, even though enough people make it sound like as you go foreign so you're rich. Hey, me I come America no. First thing a Jamaican thing, you might go foreign, that means you might come richer than me, But then you know so you have to put in a lot of work and etc. etc. So I play the video and listen with the young lady I say. Leave a comment and let me know if I choose she talk or want to think, alright? Peace.
You see, this message is for everybody at Jamaica who are kill themselves to come a foreign. Foreign nice, me not lie. Foreign nice. There's a lot of opportunities here, but one thing people not telling about foreign. And when time people do telling about foreign, and the things say them bad mind and they don't want to come here and the whole shebang. So let me tell you about foreign. There are opportunities in America. Me not lie about that, because things where we can attain in America in a small period of time probably will take somebody a lifetime in Jamaica to reach those same achievements, right? But with America, you have to understand that this is a plantation. The society was built off of the same formula that they use to maintain the plantations. So when you come in at the workforce in America and then tell you about the American dream, and you did try catch the American dream, which is the house with the white picket fence, the husband, the 2.5 kids, the good education and the big job, and all of these big cars and everything where you have to maintain. The catch is you're going to work till you literally turn over, resurrect, your soul come back in our new body and work again to pay off the American dream. Okay? So me I tell you now, say the American dream is a fraud. You can come get it if you want, but you are going to work till you're dead. You have people who in them 50s, 60s right now are work double shift, 16 hours a day them are work. And then can sit down, then can go to the go sit down and chill and laugh with them bridging like how you do a Jamaica on the job. Then can show up late a morning time, then can I go, then can have bad customer service, then can drink one beer pan them break. Then can do none of that. Them have to go to work and you literally walk. Some people only get one 30-minute break in a 8 hour. When you're supposed to get 2:15 and a 30. And when your 8 hour done, your boss come and tell us, say, yo, you have to stay. You're mandated to work another 8-hour shift. And because you have to pay for all of this American dream where you got trust from the bank, and you have all of these loans and debt, you have to stay there to work that other 8 hour. Right? So, run come a foreign if you don't want. But me I tell you, say, be prepared for the truth. And the truth is, you not go work till you're dead. And if you not work till you're dead, you not go almost dead. So here what you do. When you come a foreign, have a 10-year plan. You work hard. You get every money where you can get. You send your money back a yard. Me don't want to hear about how Jamaica violent. Me don't want to hear about that you buy a piece of land and you build one house. And you put on one car down there. And you cut.
What do you think about the video, guys? More see the comments them in the comment section. She have a pint. Last night we have the discussion, and we break it down. Some people say when you go foreign you have to get an education and get so comes you can get a good job. Some people call in last night say them already achieved the American dream. Some say a true share talk over this place you don't own. Is it true that in America you don't own a house? No matter if you buy it, if you even buy it, you still have to pay one property tax where if you fall short, then come and take away your house. Wow, can you believe that? Or she may be doing a little basic work where she have to do 3, 4 hear me, three job a day to try and make ends meet. What do you think? When me hear about America, as a Jamaican, I did say yes, land of opportunity. We can go get piece of American pie, rich in a 2-3 year time. That's what me always tell myself, say, you got them place. But I guess a touch and go for some people. You know? Sometimes you can fall in America when you fall in, you fall in pan a good job. Somebody might set it for you. You know? Sometimes me say if you live at somebody else and after a while, them come from work and say then tired of you, them put you out, you have to find somewhere go and come out. Some people say not go so you have good family member will stick with you. Well, more of the family member they call in for my show one night, so I can't believe because based on what me hear, always family member get rid of the people them who come there and not paying bills or not helping is like them face change, etc. But guys, if you want to get more of the topic here, click on the live up at the top and watch the show that I did last night with 4 different callers stating their opinion. Alright, stay safe, peace out, like, comment, see you in the next video. I'm out.